Guys, welcome back to another video. Donuts for Joey's gonna be playing Smashy Road. Hope you guys like this game. This is my gaming channel. Hope you guys subscribe. Thank you for 11 subscribers. Today I'm here with Oscar, but he's riding his bike right now. I'm outside and I'm gonna be playing Smashy Road. Subscribe to his channel. I'm trying to repeat it again. Let's do this for Christmas. Christmas 2016. Next video I'm gonna do a face cam, I promise. You guys wanna see how I look right now, but you guys might have to wait. I'm outside because it's hot in there at my house. My car's a broken conditioner, so it stinks. But yeah, thank you guys for 30 subscribers. It's still amazing. And General Boys and 21 subscribers in my vlogging channel. I really thank you guys for that. And there's also been a bunch of drama between Oscar and Jose. They've been and now they're not friends no more. So it's kind of it stinks. Says Oscar's friend, and they're the first ones to become friends. So I'm on Oscar's side, kind of. I don't really know. Cause to be honest, I'm not mean. I'm a nice person. A Dynamite Cart. He never roasts people, so I won't do that. There's a Christmas parade at McAllen on December 3rd, McAllen Christmas. It's gonna be good. I was gonna record there today, but Mom didn't feel like going. You know how that is. If your parents aren't letting you go or you want to go. Honestly, I wanted to go, but I wanted to record. So I might record next year. And this game is really fun. And what this channel is mainly about is just about me playing other games, using movies until I fix my computer. Then I'll use computer games and learn how to work the computer for my channels. And let's still try to reach 35 subscribers. So I'm gonna try to request videos for us. So it might be in our videos that ones we do. And the video then if anyone's watched part 14 and Crystal actually did hurt my face. Actually hurt with the basketball. If you guys can hear music background, sorry about that. It's my neighbors driving a cookout. Next gaming video I might play is either Crossy Road or Roblox. You guys comment down which one, Crossy Road or Roblox, to play. So that way me and Oscar or me can play the game. Oscar's already here. Hey Oscar. Oh, you can talk. I'm already recording, but you can still talk. He's riding his bike. With Smashy Road. Oh, I just dodged him. Oh, and Oscar also has a YouTube channel called Highway Theater. He has 9 subscribers. Where Oscar, you have 9 subscribers on your Highway Theater channel. Oh. And yes, they got me. What was that? The football. Oh. I might do another movies and video, but Oscar might be in the whole video. And I'll use a face camera. Move. So yeah, I don't know. I hope you guys have a good month of Christmas. And after that, I got really nothing much to say. So for the rest of the video, just watch me play this game. Alright, that's gonna end today's video. Please subscribe, leave a like, comment down below if I should do a Crossy Road or Roblox video. And yeah, bye.